Hello everyone and welcome back to Qubrid AI. I'm Sharveri. I work as DevRel at Qubrid AI. In today's video, I'll show you how you can use NVIDIA Nemotron-3 Nano Omni model on Qubrid AI platform. This is a lightweight Omni model, which means it supports multiple modalities like text, vision, and it's designed for reasoning and structured outputs and like agent-like workflows too. So if you're building anything around AI assistants, multimodal workflows, or reason-driven applications, this video is for you. So make sure to watch till the end. Before we jump in, let me quickly explain what Qubrid AI does. Qubrid AI is a GPU infrastructure platform that lets you run, test, and deploy AI models at scale without managing any GPUs by yourself. To get started, you can simply start by adding some credits to your account, and on your first top up, you'll receive some free bonus credits, which are enough to run an inference for up to 4 million tokens, depending on the model which you're using. So once you're all set up, you can start experimenting right away. So this is what our models page looks like. And as you can see, we currently support 63 models over here, and we have different use cases which are available here. So let's start with the Nemotron model. So this is the complete overview of this model. Then the API integration over here, you can see the use cases as well. Then we have technicalities of this model, then the parameters as well. These are inference parameters of the models. So for now, let's head to our chat interface and start experimenting right away. This is what our chat interface looks like. We currently support text, code, audio, vision, OCR, and frontier models. So under text model, we have the Nemotron Nano 3 Omni model. So this is what chat interface is, where you can simply start experimenting any of the models over here before implementing it into any of your application. So let's start adding some prompt. Let's say I have this prompt. So as this prompt says, a company has three teams working on a project. Team A completes the task in 6 days, Team B completes the task in 8 days, and Team C in 12 days. If all three teams work together, how long it will take to complete the task? Show it step by step and in reasoning. This model is quite good for reasoning. Let's send in the prompt and see how it works. So currently our model is in the thinking state. Let's wait for a few minutes and it will prompt our response. So as you can see, the model has started giving us the output over here. So the model has given an output as 2 days and 16 hours it will take if they start working together, if the three teams start working together. So along with the output, we also got these parameters as well. So these parameters are useful if you're benchmarking this model for production use cases. So this is how you can experiment Nemotron-3 Nano Omni model on Qubrid's chat interface. If you are happy with the output and you may want to integrate it into any of your application, you can click on the view code. Here we support serverless endpoint. We currently support Python, Curl, JavaScript, and Go. You can simply copy this endpoint, replace this placeholder with the API key, and after replacing with the API key, you can simply start integrating it into any of your backend logic. Other than that, if you want to configure this model more, you can click on configure. Here are the model parameters which you can tweak. You can tweak temperature, max tokens, top P, and enable and disable reasoning as well. So you can tweak this model configuration according to your requirements. Other than that, if you want to check out the API key, you can simply click on get API key, click on create an API key. Let's write a name for the API key. Let's say as Nemo. You can check if you want this API key to get expired and uncheck it if you don't want it to get expired. And click on create an API key. So copy this API key and save it somewhere safely, because this, if you lose this key, you will have to create a new one. Make sure to save this key safely. Other than that, if you want to dive deeper, you can go to our documentation page as well. Here we have quick start guide where it will help you to set up your account and get started. Then we have model quick start. We have different models and under every use cases, and you can explore all these models as well. We also have DeepSeek R1, DeepSeek V3.2, then NVIDIA 3 Nano 30 billion parameter model, then NVIDIA 3 super model, and then NVIDIA orchestrated 8 billion model. So we also support these NVIDIA models as well. You can go ahead and check this model out on our platform. Other than that, if you ever feel stuck, we are always happy to help you guys. You can simply reach out to us on Discord channel or simply DM us on LinkedIn. We are always happy to help you guys over there. So that's it for today's video. And if you're building any workflow or any application which require a model which is lightweight, efficient, and suitable for some scalable application, so you get good balance between the performance and capability, you can use this model as well. So that's it for today's video. And if you're building anything around this model, do give this model a try on Qubrid AI platform. And let me know in the comments what are you building next with this model. And don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.